how to use templates on Smartsheet, and this be about here to help you through what it should be really understood, through what it can be really satisfied for using template on a Smartsheet. That is still to be right here, guys. So first of all, we go over here and click on templates that it should be really used, and we can see that it should be about simple project plan. Like if I can say about to know actually to use create on browse templates on that section, so that is actually to be depending on how this can be really relevant for doing that, and that is really to be satisfying for making this kind of thing. That is really to be satisfied over here about that, about to be satisfied through what it can be really sectioned for doing with a most important levels, that it should be really right here to search and use the case industry. That is still to be right here through a section. That is still to be review to click on the using template, about to have to customize it, and this is ready to be everything like the templates that should be about right here through making this kind of thing. That is still to be right here, so that is still to be right now. So the most important levels that it should be right now, guys, so helping you on that, and that is all about help you.